G'day guys. So today's video, I finally got a chance to give the RC10T a run on the track. I've been wanting to give it a run for a while. Unfortunately, things like the weather, time, club days actually getting cancelled, weather, maybe I just mentioned that, things like that made it a little bit difficult to give the truck a run. Finally just got a chance to just go out to the track and give it a run. And yeah, so rather than me just standing here flapping my gums talking about it, let's just cut straight to the track and enjoy the footage, guys. Alright, first run of the RC10T. Going to be using the short track, not going the full layout, so I'm just going to come back. So if you didn't see the previous video that was somewhat related to the truck, I put standard wheels and tires on it. They're J Concept wheels, but I'm running Proline whole shots, front and rear in M3 compound. And yeah, well, let's see how we go. I'm running a shorty pack on this, so it's probably going to be a little bit divey under corners. And I'm just going to go easy as well, so I'm not going to try and clear this, or this one either. Once those tyres grab the carpet there, definitely has a fair amount of grip. Yeah, the battery could probably do with being at the back. As you can see, it's very slidey at the rear, but it's fine as it is at the moment. Yeah, definitely, to the untrained eye you probably can't tell, but it dives under hard steering, as you can see, like that, and that causes the tyre, the outer front tyre, to load up and really grip, which I mean is good if you got grip at the rear, but don't exactly have grip at the rear. As you can see, it slides out. It's a little bit of a surface dust on the track at the moment. But I mean, it's very good response in that from the throttle for the pitch of it. It's been a while since I've driven on the short track. I don't drive 10 scale all that often here. And so far it's handling really well. Now, unfortunately, I don't get a lot of track time with other projects and that. If I only did car racing, I'd probably have a little bit more time for a bit of practice and so forth, but at the moment I'm loving the way it drives. I love the way you can see it, how it leans on into the corners. Bit of a slap there. Ooh, a bit more of a slap. Oop. Oops. Yeah, so you can see what I mean, how when it dives under hard cornering, and it causes like the inner rear wheel to lift up, so I don't have a lot of grip. I mean, I just built it as it is to kit settings. Obviously kit settings are for the kit tires as well, so there's added grip on the front. But I mean, other than that, I mean, it's great fun to drive, I have to admit. There we go. Whoop. Yeah, I'm definitely loving it. I'd love to have raced this at the whoa, a bit of a wheel stand there. Love to have raced this at the Vintage Festival this year, but commitments and that prevent me from doing otherwise, so might have to wait till next year till I give it a run at the Vintage Festival. But I mean, really, I mean, for a track that was designed, I think it was in the early 90s, it handles really well. Hey, got a little too excited there. Yep, getting too excited. Definitely getting acquainted with it, but I'm not gonna jump it too hard. Very dusty. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that running of the truck. Looks like I'm gonna have to check the tires to make sure they're still glued properly. Yeah, I'm very happy with it overall. Happy with the way it went together. Definitely might have to adjust the suspension a little bit, stop it from diving hard under hard turning. Other than that, yeah, I'm wrapped with it. And if you have any questions about the truck or the electronics I've used, etc., don't hesitate to drop a comment, guys. I'll do my best to respond to them. Until then, enjoy your hobby and cheers.